Hi everyone, Gaga Joy, Gaga Joy's Cooking. Today we're going to be making Mexican pizza or a Taco Hut pizza, which is about the only thing I eat at Taco Hut. I've already got my meat over here. I've already cooked it. I'm going to put it's a 1 pound of meat, of hamburger. It's 9-10. Put a little bit of water in it. When you put that powder in, it needs a little bit of water. I love good tacos and this pizza. They took it off. They took it off the menu for a while, but I think everybody insisted, so it is back on the menu. And I noticed everybody's got a stage of doing it on the cooking shows this week. So, I'm going to let that sit there. And I use this kind of, you can use corn. These are just plain tortillas. They're the ones with flour. They don't have any corn in it, although I do like corn. I've got a nice skillet forming here. And you have to put enough oil in it so that they sort of fry good, because you want them hard. You want them hard. Not be that good. So I have refried beans, and I use pinto beans and just put them in the grinder. You need cheese and lettuce and tomatoes and onions, a tipple, and then I have sour cream. So it's just like they have it. Top of it. So I'm just waiting on this to get hot. Well, my grease is hot enough now. Let me put some holes. I went ahead and made one to make sure, but I need to put some holes in it because if you don't, they bubble up, and we've got to have them black. Yep. I'm sure they have a system of not letting them puff up, but I don't know what it is, because I put the holes in it. I'll take it off. Put a plate on it. How about that? Where there's a will, there's a way. It just takes like a minute to pop, to get brown. Oh, you need to turn it down now. That works good. I'm very glad I invented it. Napkins between them. The reason I'm cooking so many is because when you cook the meat is enough for about 3, maybe 4. So I thought I'd just go ahead and mix them. I've got plenty of people that will want them, so. Your grease has to be about 350. But you don't want it to pop all over you when you put these down in there. Well, that little job is through. Just about. Still pops, don't they? Okay. That is out. Put those on. And I think we're through with that one. On to the next step. It's not hard, it's just things. Step 1, 2, 3, like that. Okay. Yep, they're good and hard. Well, it is now just building. Like I said, I use the pinto beans. That's what they use. Theirs is darker than mine. But I've heard them all say that it is pinto beans that they make. They're refined. Of course, I guess you could use any kind. Just the kind you like. Now, if you put too much on it, remember, when you're eating, it'll come out, so don't weight it down with stuff. Then just cover it with your hamburger. I know people that eat at Taco Bell every day. And when I say every day, it's true. They go there for lunch. I don't think I know anything I would do every day. I mean, eat every day. I'd say this pound of meat would probably do 3. I was thinking 2, but I'm thinking now it's 3. Number 2. Got to put a little bit of salsa on it. I'm sure you have your all kinds of salsa too. This one's a good one. It's not the best one, but it's good. Okay. Dress it. I've got onions, white and yellow cheese, tomatoes, and lettuce. Some people don't like onions on tacos. I do. So let's put a little bit of yellow, white, now I need to let it cook just long enough to melt the cheese. And then we'll have a taco. I need to be probably better on raw because it just needs the cheese to melt. Did you ever put something on raw and the phone rang? Yeah, not funny. Well, we'll let the next one melt out of the way. Very easy. Well, I'm the first to take the bite. Taco Bell has a contender, my pizza. Well, again, say goodbye with a bite in my mouth. I don't know how to handle that. Take care of yourself. Remember the joy. You don't have to go to Taco Bell anymore. You got one right here. I'll see you soon. Bye.